Sample 2. ln 2x plus 3 ax. Method by part integration or BPI and substitution. At first we substitute the function 2x plus 3 with u. du to dx. We should calculate dx, obtain dx. du on 2. So our integral becomes 1 on second integration of ln u du. And next by BPI method, ln u w and du dv. dw equals to du on u and v equals to u. W v minus v dw. W ln u multiply u multiply ln u minus v equals to u multiply to dw u multiply to du on u, which is equals to 1, and our result ln u minus it is 1 plus c. We have also 1 second constant here. We should apply to the result. Our integration in 1 second u ln u minus u plus c. We know that u of x plus 3 1 second 2x plus 3 ln 2x plus 3 minus 1 2x plus 3 plus c. Our result.